How to block pop-ups on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings, and here you need to scroll down to the Advanced section and then click on Site Settings. And here you need to search for pop-ups and redirects. Once you find it, click on it, and as you can see, pop-ups and redirects are turned on. So in order to disable them, all what you need to do is click on the toggle to turn it off. And as you can see, Google Chrome here tells you that this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which is what we want, and it also tells you that it's recommended. So that is it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.